Okay, so what we have here is the genuine Trailhunter OE snorkel in all the various parts. This is not a Toyota genuine accessory, but it is a Toyota genuine part. So you can't just order it as an accessory out the catalog, but if you pull up a parts explosion for a Trailhunter, you'll be able to find every single part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's various other parts as well. So it is definitely going to be a comprehensive kit. It's a very easy install for the most part. Honestly, it could be done DIY, but we had it done professionally at the Ed Martin Collision Center at our body shop. But it's going to require more than just buying the parts for this particular snorkel. It also requires upgrading the airbox to the TRD airbox. So go ahead and pop the hood. We'll show you all the different components. And then in the video description notes, we'll go ahead and link to a kit that we have put together with all the genuine parts that you need to do this kit yourself, and a link to scheduling it if you want to have it done here at Ed Martin Toyota. So again, this is a 4th Gen Tacoma gas. The TRD airbox can be bought as an accessory through the port, or it can be done at dealer install. If you do dealer install, there's actually a handful of parts. Each clip has to be bought individually, plus the box, plus the filter, plus this backing piece, plus the hose clamps. So there's a little bit more into it than just buying an accessory and having it all in one kit. So we've itemized the parts individually in the video notes. They're all listed for sale at parts.edmartintoyota.com, and we've also bundled them all into a kit. So if you're interested in doing this yourself, you can buy the entire kit on parts.edmartintoyota.com. So the advantage of this airbox in this particular situation is it's required to make the high-air intake work. You can do the airbox by itself without the intake, but you can't do the intake without having the TRD airbox. So these things are going to have to be bundled together if you want to buy the snorkel. So our kit that we put together for the snorkel is going to include the airbox, but you can also buy the airbox as a separate kit. We'll itemize all the part numbers in the video section notes in a kit and in an itemized format. But you also will buy, in the kit will be the replaceable washable filter. So this is not something you're going to replace paper filters, and you can wash it yourself if you have a filter wash kit. All right, you ready to take it for a spin and see how it sounds? Let's do it. And that's a wrap on our Trailhunter snorkel for a 4th generation Tacoma. If you guys like it, please hit a thumbs up. Let us know what you think on how it sounds in the video section notes. And if you have any interest in purchasing this kit, it will work on a gas or hybrid. And all the links to part numbers and kits are listed in the video section notes on parts.edmartintoyota.com.